Hello everyone and welcome to this series where we show you how Waxwing can turn any marketing concept into action in just minutes. So today we are going to work through the most common pain point that marketers, growth hackers or SME owners face. You guessed it right. We are going to talk about how to prepare a social media calendar for business growth. This video walks you through exactly what you need to do so that you can consistently, creatively, and quickly develop the social media calendar for your business. So let's get started. So here we are on Waxwing.ai dashboard and we'll just go to the strategies tab. There are previous videos where we talk about how you can create an account on Waxwing and how Waxwing crawls through your website to gather business intelligence and etc. So do watch those videos. But for this video, as you can see, there are a lot of templates for different categories of marketing. The first one seems to be the one that we are looking for. It is tagged as a topic. So we'll just go ahead and click on it. You can read what this strategy is all about and we'll click on generate plan. So here Waxwing does ask me if I want to give any additional context or special instruction to AI. So I would highly recommend that you share whatever details you have or vision in mind for these posts. I'll just add a basic custom instruction which tells it that I need a social media calendar for 1 week and I need 3 posts. So all of that I mentioned in that custom instruction, and I'll go ahead and generate. Waxwing does take into account all the business intelligence that it had gathered while it was crawling your website, and it also takes into account this special instruction. So as you can see, Waxwing has successfully created the description, task and content for this particular project. So basically, for every task that requires any kind of content, Waxwing creates these tiles. So as you can see, the first one was create video content. For that, we need some kind of content to be created. So to help you, Waxwing has created this tile. Once you click on it, it will give you a step-by-step guide on how you can create the video. So you can just go ahead and follow the script in order to create the video. So coming on to the next tile, which is create static image post. When you click on it, it shows for every platform what the image should be about, and it also provides us the respective caption for it. At the bottom, you can see an image which summarizes each and every image here for different platforms. But what I like to do is you normally copy the instruction mentioned here and go to the marketing GPT. So here in marketing GPT, you can ask any question relating to this particular project and it will help you out in each and every aspect. For our use case, we want to generate an image. So I'll just write image with the instruction that it provided and click enter. As you can see, Waxwing has generated this image and it appropriately suits the description it had provided. So I'll just go ahead and download it and post it on the respective platform. This is how I go about creating static images. Similarly, for all the other content instructions, you can go ahead on Marketing GPT and create their respective images. It has also provided platform specific captions. So as I told you that for every content related task, Waxwing creates a content tile. So platform specific captions are a textual content. So it has created a tile for it. When you click on it, for every post, be it video, the static image post or the carousel post, it has provided the captions. So now that these images are generated and we also have the captions for every platform, we would like to schedule it. So for these kind of tasks which doesn't have any content, you can go ahead and click on that particular task. And as you can see, it has created a step-by-step guide of how I can schedule these posts. It has suggested me some of the websites like these, and go ahead and schedule them accordingly. There you have it. In just few steps, a social media calendar for your business is ready. So what are you waiting for? Visit waxwing.ai and start your free trial now. Thanks for watching.